Hello and welcome to the Stamp Camp. I'm Glenda Calkins, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and today we are going to be using the June paper pumpkin kit. It is called A Little Smile. This kit has 16 little cards with envelopes that you can create, as well as a pocket to hold them in. Hello, Linda. Thanks for joining me, and Kathy and Ruth. Wow, thanks for joining. I have a simple little gift card holder that is super cute. When I opened up the box for this month's paper pumpkin, I immediately thought of this little project. So I went ahead and whipped a few of those out, and I'm going to show you how to create those tonight. Now, if you are not a paper pumpkin subscriber with me, if you would like to get in on that, you need to subscribe to the Paper Pumpkin before July 10 to get the July Paper Pumpkin. Paper Pumpkin closes on the 10th. So if you want the July kit, you need to order by July 10th. So to get the June kit, you need to have placed your order before June 10th. So the kit that I'm going to show you tonight is not available. But just keep in mind that these kits are awesome. Every month they just keep getting better and better. And if you are a Paper Pumpkin subscriber with me, at the end of the month, I send you a PDF file with between 8 to 10 full-size cards that you can create with the stamp set that comes in your kit. So go ahead and make up your kit. But then that stamp set you're going to use to make a bunch of full-size cards with it. So you will always be making cards with your stamp set that comes in your Paper Pumpkin kit. So that is a little bit about that. Let's get started. I'll change my camera here. You can go to my blog, www.TheStampCamp.com, and I have all the details about signing up for the Paper Pumpkin. You have different options of signing up. So again, this is the June kit. It is called A Little Smile, and these are the instructions. So you always get instructions with your kit. This month's kit came with these adorable little envelopes. They have them in the Old Olive and then the Coastal Cabana, and they are so pretty, and they have the little detail, and the stamp set coordinates with the envelope. Now, this is the stamp set that you're going to get the PDF file for 8 to 10 additional full-size cards that you can create with just the stamp set. So keep that in mind. But this particular kit had 16 of these envelopes and 16 little cards that you can create. These cards are great to hold little gift card holders with them, or if you see somebody in the street, you can hand out a little card and just make their day by giving them a little smile. They're really cute. They're beachy themed. They have this cute little pocket that also coordinates with the whole set that you can store the cards in and keep them in your purse so you can hand them out whenever. Super cute. Now I'm going to show you what I did. So I'm going to need some envelopes here. I'll do the Old Olive, since I did another project using the Coastal Cabana, and I might need to save some of them up. But this is the cute little purse. It's already printed like this. I just stamped a sentiment. You make my day special, and then you open it up, and inside I have one of the little cards that you can create, just a little smile. And then on the other side, you can put in a gift card. This just happens to be a Stampin' Up gift card that I received. So just a little cute little something, and it looks like a purse. I think that's adorable. So I did that in the green. Now this one, I messed up when I stamped it on there, but no worries. It comes with tags in the set, so I just stamped it again on a tag and popped it up. So there you go. There's no mistakes. Just embellish, embellish, embellish. These I did not make this one I did. I made a little card for it. Isn't that cute? Super cute card. Everything in the kit comes together so quick and easy. But let's get started on those adorable purses. So again, I'm going to use the Old Olive. And if you read my blog post, I did say you can do this technique with any size envelope. They just have to be 2 of the same envelopes. So what you're going to do is on one of them, you're just going to slide that, what do you call this, the top edge inside the other envelope, just like that. So see when they're folded? So the one is going to get slided inside, and then the other one, we're going to cut that off. So I bring in my trimmer. You could cut it with the scissors, but I want a straight line. I'm not real good with the scissors cutting straight. So we're going to, whoops, and I had something in my cutter there. Make sure your track's cleaned out. I'm going to grab another one. Got something in my track. So a lot of times what I'll do is I'll take my little paper piercer and run that down my track. And if I have any clogged fibers or paper, it's going to clean that out, because that will do what it just did and wreck my, I'm going to start from the top. What is the scoop on this? I guess I'm going to really have to clean my track. So I will take my scissors. I do have an extra track, so I might have to just put a new track in. There we go. Okay, so save this. This is, you're going to need that piece. This piece is going to be going down inside, just like that. And you're going to fold it over. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is put our handle on. Because I have this little loop here, I'm going to put the handle on this side. So what I'm going to do is take some adhesive, and I'm going to run that down the side here. And then you just grab some ribbon. Now for the old olive ones, this is part of the Magnolia Suite. And it does have some old olive twine that goes with it. It's kind of a little bundle. So you can make your handle as long as you want it. So there's my handle. For the Coastal Cabana gift card, I use the, what is this? Bermuda Bay. It's the, like, striped. I thought that went really well with the Coastal Cabana there. Okay, so how did I do? Oh, you know what? I put my handle the wrong way. It's got to go this way. Thankfully, that was a little forgiving. And we're going to slip that inside there. We're going to assemble it all, make sure we got it going correctly. Looks great. And then we'll glue it together. So we're going to take that out. I'm just going to run my fast fuse. You can use your liquid glue if you like. This is the tricky part, is getting it so it doesn't stick while you're sliding that in. That looks pretty good. So there's our handle, there's our purse. We're going to take this. You can also lick the adhesive that's on that and use that as part of your adhesive. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? What a quick and easy little purse. All right, so then you just use your stamp set. Let's see, here it is. Stamp any sentiment you want on the front. I'm going to grab this one. Get me a black. How cute is that, right? So cute. And with all the graduations going on right now, you could easily make this a little graduation gift card holder. Love it. I don't know if I got that on straight, so we'll stamp it first. Looks pretty good. I just used the old olive ink. Perfect. And then we'll create one of the little tags to go inside. Let's see, what do I got? I'll copy the one I already did. I think these little cards are so darn cute. And everything is like prepped for you. So we got the little card here. Let's see. Do I have any Paper Pumpkin subscribers watching? Nancy, Judy, Kathy, any paper pumpkin people out there? All right, and I need a little palm tree. So cute. These are all die cut. This all comes in your kit. So I got my little palm tree. Then I have a vellum. It looks like coral, I guess is what it would be. Let me open this up. Sometimes these packages are easier said than done. So there's 4 pieces of coral on one little square vellum. So what I did was took my snips here and just snipped out the bottom. And then you can just, because it's all die cut for you, and you have that little piece of coral. Okay. And then you just need a tag, which they give you a whole 2 sheets of tags. So you got plenty of tags. I like the tags that have a little crumb cake on them. And I keep forgetting about check this out. These are pretty. The little sand dollars. Look at that. The shimmery, they got, can you see that? I don't know if you can see that or not. But they got like, dazzling diamonds on them. And then you also got the little starfish. And they're all shiny. So cool. There's so much you can do with this set. And you got lots of extra stuff for future projects. Okay, so we're going to take our little card. We're going to fold it in half. Crease that with the bone folder. Take our little tree here. I put just some adhesive on the back. You could use liquid glue. I don't worry so much about the trunk of the tree because I'm going to go over the top of it with this other stuff. I'm going to take a little glue dot where I want my little vellum to go, just like that. Get my tag. So I guess I'll make my tag to coordinate with my just a little smile. Take my old olive ink, same stamp, and we'll stamp that. I'm going to stick that right on the card front. See why I said I don't worry about the, bring it up just a little bit. Sticking that trunk down because it's all stuck down with my tag. Then it also comes with the linen thread. So you're going to take that and you're going to tie a little bow. Everything you need with these paper pumpkin kits comes included. So this one came included with the Coastal Cabana ink spot. So you get your ink. It has the little mini glue dots for assembling. But if you want to use your tape that you prefer, you can use that. But these little glue dots are really handy. It comes with the linen thread. Everything is in there. It's a great deal for $22 plus shipping and tax. Because you just got 16 cards. Plus, I show you lots more you can do with that stamp set. So I'm going to just, nice, cute little tiny bow. Trim that up. Take another glue dot. And we'll just put that right there. Super cute little bow. That is just adorable. So cute. Okay, so this one I stamped with the Coastal Cabana. So that one could go inside here if I wanted to. Doesn't really matter. And then we have our envelope purse that we just created. So in one side, you're going to put your little note card. In the other side, you can put your gift card. And how stinking cute is that? So cute. And how easy to create. So yeah, I've been playing with them. I've been making lots and lots. Got cute little purses to go out. Love that. Always have a gift card holder on hand because you never know when you're going to need one. Great for a little birthday gift, anything where you would want to give a gift card for. Cute, super cute. So Nancy is going to sign up for Paper Pumpkin. Sweet, you will love it. I'm sure Judy and her granddaughters are signed up because the kits have been great lately. And I'm sure they are going to keep going at the rate they're going. In fact, I just seen a little notice today for the July Paper Pumpkin kit. So a little sneak peek on what's coming. But the July stamp set, they didn't show us, and I haven't seen the contents, but it is going to coordinate with the sailing or the the sailing home stamp set, which is the suite, the lighthouse sailboat suite, and there's 2 other suites that it's going to coordinate from the catalog. I'll have that information on my blog, so make sure you check that out. But that's awesome that it's going to coordinate with 3 different suites from the new catalog. I've been using the suites a lot, so I'm sure you've been seeing all the new catalog suites of products that I've been using. So that is my Tuesday tip and technique for you tonight. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do not have the Paper Pumpkin kit, like I said, you can do this technique with any size envelope. So you can do it with the note card size envelope, the full card size envelope. You can do it with legal envelopes, however big you want your purse to end up being. But that's just a cute way to create a gift card holder in no time. So thanks for stopping by.